What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. My name is Adimola and I'm a creative photographer and retoucher. I'm about to retouch this particular image in 5 minutes, which is but I just want to challenge myself to retouch this particular image. So I was just retouching this image on a norm and I was about to post on my retouching page, but I felt like let me just challenge myself to retouch this in 5 minutes. And I don't know, you might get to learn something in this video because I'm going to be using my simple trick. Without talking too much, let's get into the video and let's do something amazing. So I'm going to be taking this particular image from this to this. So I'm going to be using my phone as the timer. I'm going to start the time now. So our time starts now. So what I love about this picture is the skin is given, and I'm just going to remove some little blemishes. I'm just going to do this a little, not too much. Then come over to my action. Obviously I'm going to use action and press play. It's going to bring this out because of I want more texture on our skin. I'm just going to use 14 and I'm going to click OK. So I'm just going to open my frequency separation box or wherever and off the high frequency layer and come over to low frequency layer and come over to my mixer brush and just start mixing. I have no time to be explaining, but you guys should just watch. I'm going to mix the highlight together, then mix the shadow together because that's what mixing is. And I'm just going to mix this. Honestly, this is tough. I wish you guys can see my hand right now. I'm shaking because I've never done this before. How would I retouch one image in 5 minutes to perfection? That's actually insane. So I guess we're done with this side of the image and let's check out what we've done. So this is nice, this is before and after. I love it, and this is good, this is good, this is good. So I'm going to come over to 1 minute out of 5 minutes. And so I'm just going to mix that side. Yep. And let's mix the shadows together. Nothing serious. Just yep, this is good. Now sometimes I love to smoothen the side of the hair, so that's what I'm just going to do. Just smoothen this side and make sure everything looks nice. Yep. So let me off this and see what it looks like. Okay, this is really nice. For some reasons I'm not going to be touching her hair because that will take another time, so let our focus just be on the skin. The skin is quite very important right now, so I'm just going to just brush this side a little bit and this side too. I just pray I get to the color grading part before 5 minutes because I would love to show you guys the trick I use very well. So I'm just going to do downside. Okay guys, it's like I'm good with mixing and I'm not really perfect. I'm not really enjoying it, to be honest, because this is not my best. So I'm just going to take this in and okay, our nose. I can't forget our nose. So our nose is really important. And I'm just going to take this. And that's good. So what I'm going to do next is to dodge and burn. So I'm just going to come to curve and just curve this to 2 and just raise this up a little bit and blend it to make it look very soft. Yeah, this is about dodge and burn. Just makes the highlight comes out very nice after you've done some flattering. So I'm burning it and I'm just going to blend it a little bit. No, that's too much. Okay, that's good. Separate. I have 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. This is terrible, man. I hate this. Then I'm going to group it. Then I'm going to go to my gradient, just to color grade. So come to gradient map and just come to gradient map, come over to normal, then come over to soft light and come over to your opacity, put it on 50, and come over to my gradient map over here, noise, and change this to 8%. And I'm just going to randomize, look for something nice. So this is what I use to color grade sometimes. I love this. This is good. This, let's check for more. Oh, this is nice. I'm just going to click OK. Then just go back a little bit. So I'm just going to hide this and just create a new layer. And it is 5 minutes, guys. It's not possible. But you know what? The challenge is over. Let me just color grade this and show you guys this trick and call it off. I failed, guys. I failed. I failed. So you know what? So I'm just going to like select the subject just to show you guys this color grading trick and how I did the other picture. Then we're ending the video because that's what the video is about. And I'm just going to max it. Then I'm just going to copy this and just send it to the gradient map and click yes. And I'm just going to delete this layer and um turn on the layer. So now the color grading is on a skin alone, and which is actually really nice. I can still increase the opacity or reduce the opacity. I love it this way, and I'm just going to come on. I wish I could continue this video to show you guys more on how I took this to this, but with the whole purpose of this video to edit in 5 minutes, which I actually failed. Nobody can edit and retouch in 5 minutes. What do you guys think? Thank you for watching, and I'm doing this video on the 30th of December 2024. And if I'm going to be posting it New Year, Happy New Year, and enjoy the rest of the year. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and do whatever it is you say at the end of the video.